Hello po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is October 13. It's Tuesday. Kahapon holiday, Thanksgiving. Jaden is here. Hi Jaden. Medyo nagsinat-sinat si Jaden. Nagngingipin siguro. Tapos ilang beses na rin siya nagtae today. Pero buti na lang hindi naman watery. Pero yung last niyang pupo medyo green na may mucus. Hoping na he will get better. Tapos dumating na yung purulator. Pero hindi nga nangantak yung passport ni Jaden. Nakainis. So kailangan namin siyang i-pick up. Pero bago kami pumunta doon, magpark na muna si Naya. Nag-aya siya. Yan siya. Tiket na. Jaden!
May talagang ba? Nung una hindi.
Oh, careful! You're like a rabbit, Naya. Hop, hop, hop.
No, not that one. No, the other one. What color is our car? No.
No! No. What color is that, this car? Color?
That's right. What color? What color? There's a car.
Let's go. Kunin pa natin yung passport ni Jaden. 6, mga 6:45 na. Yan na ang ano. Itsura. Gabi na. Anong gusto niya, de? Meh. Feeling ko may matutulog, de.
You know, dyan na yan.
Oo. The eyes is sleepy.
Dad, you need to rest about that.
I do it. Okay.
Mom, you need to rest about too.
Okay, I will.
Mom, I heard the pictures, Mommy. And I hold it for me.
Head northwest on Station Boulevard toward
And I hold
Neighborhood
the
Way.
picture to me, Mom. And I hold the picture to me. Mom, and I hold it, and I hold it.
Okay.
And I picture with Dylan.
Wait. 10 minutes away yung pupuntahan namin. Yung pickup spot ni Purolator.
With the pictures. And it's a
Ano day?
Dylan.
Pickup location. Pickup stop.
And I see a fish.
Here, Jaden, here.
Mommy.
Don't cry, my love.
Mom, I want to send one to me.
Okay, I will.
Obviamente.
Ah. You can have this.
No, my pictures.
Yeah, I will. Here, I'll set it up.
I don't see my pictures.
Mm.
Hey, Dylan.
Are you vlogging? Oh, achoo, Jaden, achoo. Can I see what you're doing?
It's yellow. Ah. What's happening? What's happening?
10 minutes away. Dito na kami. Daya. Eurolate. Hindi makita. You know?
Mommy.
Eurolator.
No.
Ito ang ano kanila, main office. Here in
It's white and
Dito.
she said white and mine.
Kuna si Daddy, si
And
Jaden.
you can say okay. Who's that?
Wala mo na ID mo pang
Hindi, yung kopya ng Jaden. Okay, let's go anak. Let's go. Hold my hand.
Mama, hold it.
No, mawawala pa yan. Ay. Okay. Hold it properly.
Okay, I just drop it.
Yeah, don't drop it.
Okay, I will hold it.
Yeah, hold it properly. Purelator.
Come on, guys, Mommy.
24/7? Self-serve pickup?
Ito.
Quiet, quiet. Ito na, pickup center.
Dad, Mommy.
We're picking up. Naya! Naabutan kami ng maraming pinapadala. Ano kayang business nito? Nade? Nade? Naya! Na? Ha?
Wait 1 minute.
Ah, okay. Jaden! Tang Tang! Where are we, Tang Tang? Pwede palang padala dito.
Okay.
Direct dito padala from you.
Trevor.
Na, imbis na Canada Post na.
Trevor
Clinton.
Mommy.
The one that I thought it was.
Kinuha na yung letter natin. And we're done ang Purelator. Come. Binigay naman. Buti, nagdala kami ng bank statement. Nandun ang address. It's not possible. Oh, Naya, Naya. Naya! Come, anak ko!
Hindi ko na itong hindi mo nakikita mo. Passport natin dito. Yan ang mga niya na envelope.
Maybe. Maybe. Yay! Passport ni Jaden! Yay! Daddy will check it first. Oh!
Hey, Mommy. It's A.
It's A! Where A?
It's A.
Daddy! It's A daw.
Daddy.
Dahil yung ano, it's not A, anak, because there's nothing in the middle. See? There should be a line in the middle.
Now
It's A. Oh. Stay. Stay.
Jimmy. Jimmy.
Stay, my car.
Hindi man binalot.
Hindi nakabalot? Si Jayden nga.
Passport ngayon.
Ha?
Aluan eh.
Paano siya?
Kasi siya sa nanging harap na.
Jayden nga. Patingin? Can I see?
Young bad daddy.
You want the long bread? No, we're going home.
Kasi siya sa nanging harap na.
What's that?
Ang gwapo ni Jayden. Oo nga, iba na yung passport niya yan.
Video, may kita yung passport number niya.
Hindi. Siyempre, ano ko. I-blurred.
Hey boop. Boop.
Show it in the video.
Mama.
Can you see? Makasunglass siya ka naman. Look at my shadow. That's my shadow. Yeah, you have your shadow too. Yeah, your shadow is so tall. Look at Daddy's shadow. A tall shadow. So tall. Daddy's shadow is so tall. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Uwi na tayo. Nang makakain. Dinner. Gutom na rin si Naya. Naghahanap ng bread niya kanina. Let's go. Nakuha natin ang passport. Very good. Hindi man kaya nangatok yung Purelator. Iniwan lang sa baba. And sleep.
Blow up. Bilis ka naman.
Nabigla siya. Nabigla siya. Let's go. Nabigla. Una si Daddy. 8:30 na. Nawan. Trabaho. Pwede naman siya gisingin. Patulog si Jayden. Pinadede. Hanggang ngayon tulog. Sina Daddy, Mamang. Janaya tapos nang kumain. Anong kinain ni Janaya, de? Tapos nang kumain. Kakain pa lang ako. Sa wakas, nakuha na natin ang passport ni Jayden. Hindi na natin siya, hinihintay. Very good. Good night. Mag-alas 9:30 na ng gabi. Sleep. Sleep na. Inaantok na si ate mo, no? Sit na. Oh. Say, please like, subscribe, share. Oh. Jayden. Bulaga. See you in our next vlog. Bye! Hindi makapag-waste dyan, Naya. Umiiyak. Bakit? Lida na lang. Bye! Bye ka daw. Bye!